Guys, this is the beginning of my Zippo collection. This is the first Zippo I bought. We're looking at Maple Leaf. I am a Canadian, so I'm very proud of this one. I wanted my first Zippo to be a Canadian Zippo. And here it is, made in the USA. Most Zippos are USA made. All of them are. C19. So it was March 19th it was made. It's a chrome. It's a chrome one, so it's got fingerprints all over it. Here's the maple leaf for Canadian. Sorry about the glare. That's my first Zippo. Now my second I bought was a spur of the moment Zippo. Actually, the story behind this, there was two I had, and I had my 4-year-old with me, and I asked my 4-year-old which one she liked better, and she picked this one because I couldn't make the difference between the two. There it is. I like it. I like the white. Eventually get the white matte one, but this one is Dots and Boxes, it's called. And if you see here, it was made 2016. Nice sound, nice white. I like the white. I'm going to get more white Zippos. Like I said, I want to get a white matte I like. I haven't added fluid to them. I will not add fluid to them. I don't need a Zippo to be working. I like the style of them. I like the looks of them. I like the quality of them. And that's why I decided to collect Zippos. Please subscribe to the channel and like it for more Zippo updates. Thank you.